The trade war is on, or is it? President Trump has kept everyone guessing. Just when things seem to be escalating, he throws a curveball. Smartphones, laptops, those shiny new chips everyone needs, safe. Trump exempted them from his China tariffs. The markets breathed a sigh of relief. Tech stocks, which had been bracing for impact, shot up like rockets. Apple, in particular, had a very good day. What does this all mean? Is Trump going soft on China? Or is this a calculated move? A way to protect American consumers and companies while keeping the pressure on Beijing? Let's dive in and find out. This is more than just a trade war. It's about the future of technology. And right now the future is looking a little brighter for Silicon Valley. But hold on, this doesn't mean the trade war is over, not even close. It's just taken an interesting turn, one that has Wall Street buzzing and consumers scratching their heads. Trump's decision to exempt tech products from tariffs is a classic Trump move. Bold, unpredictable, and seemingly contradictory. After all, this is the same president who built his campaign on promises to bring back manufacturing jobs and get tough on China. So why the change of heart? The answer is simple: strategy. Trump knows that tech is America's crown jewel. It's where the real money is made, and he's not about to sacrifice American dominance in the global tech race, even if it means easing up on China, for now. This is about picking your battles. Trump is betting that by shielding American tech giants from the brunt of the trade war, he can keep the US economy humming while still putting pressure on China to play fair. It's a high-stakes gamble, but one that could pay off big time if he plays his cards right. Smartphones and computer chips aren't just gadgets, they're the lifeblood of the modern economy. And the US-China trade relationship is the circulatory system that keeps everything moving. But this system is under immense strain. China is the world's factory, churning out everything from iPhones to laptops, and the US is the world's biggest consumer market. This interdependence has created a complex and often tense relationship. Trump's tariffs threaten to throw this delicate balance into chaos. Suddenly, those cheap Chinese-made goods weren't looking so cheap anymore. Prices were going up, and consumers were starting to feel the pinch. The tech exemption is an attempt to prevent a full-blown crisis. It's a recognition that some things are just too important to mess with, but it's also a temporary fix. The underlying tensions remain. Section 4. Market mania: tech stocks soar on tariff relief. Wall Street loves certainty, and for months the trade war has been anything but certain. The back and forth between Washington and Beijing has kept investors on edge. But the tech tariff exemption? That was music to their ears. The markets reacted instantly. Tech stocks, which had been lagging in recent months, surged ahead. Apple, the poster child for US-China tech dependence, saw its stock price soar. Other tech giants like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google also enjoyed a healthy boost. This wasn't just a blip. This was a sign that investors believed Trump's strategy might actually work. By protecting tech, he's protecting the engine of the US economy, and that's good news for everyone, at least for now. Section 5. Navigating the aftermath. What's next for investors and consumers? The trade war is far from over, but the tech tariff exemption gives us a glimpse of what the future might hold. It's a world where strategic exemptions become the norm, where governments try to protect their key industries while still playing hardball with their rivals. For investors, this means buckle up. Volatility is here to stay, but it also means opportunity. Tech stocks, with their newfound protection, could be poised for further growth. For consumers, the message is less clear. Prices for tech products might stabilize, but other goods could get more expensive. It's a mixed bag. One thing's for sure, the trade war is changing the world as we know it, and it's just getting started. Stay tuned.